Good day, traders. This is Sunny. I just want to quickly record this video to show you a possible trade on GBP. Okay, I'm actually long GBPUSD and I am short GBP yen. Okay, but my GBP dollar trade is slightly in the red, as you can see right here. It's slightly losing. Right, GBP yen slightly in profit. Okay, not really that much, just a few pips, but my GBP dollar is actually losing quite a few pips. To be exact, I'm down 54 pips and my stop loss is here. Right, the most important thing that I want to highlight here is this trade setting up right now. There might be a possible long on GBPUSD, yes, even though it looks like the markets have changed to the upside right now. Okay, looks like the market has changed to the downside. Sorry, there is a strong pressure, or there's strong sellers on GBPUSD right now. Right, let's look at the volume now. Let's look at what is happening. I've highlighted the areas already where there was high volume this morning or past few bars. As you can see, this line, that line, and that line. I'm just going to delete them so that I show you what lies below these lines. There we go. So you can see here, right, and here, these are high volume areas, and this one as well. It's a tiny candle, but there was high volume there. As you can see, the red, if this red shows the volume was decreasing. If it's red, shows volume is decreasing. If it's green, shows volume is rising, volume is rising, volume is rising, volume is rising. So in this particular case, I use volume to hide my stop loss. Okay, if we look at this bar right here from yesterday, there was high and the price went up, and the price continued to go up, right? So the conclusion that I came to is there was a strong buyer yesterday here. That's why I saw it fit to hide my stop loss here. If it gets taken out, so what? It's part of trading. You win some, you lose some. That's part of trading. But now we've got two scenarios in GBPUSD right now. Now that there was a high volume here, here, and here as well, right? But the price is dropping now. I can come to a conclusion and say this was a seller's volume. That's why the price fell to go above this high and continue to make higher high. Because right now the volume was rising and the price is dropping now. The volume was rising, but the price is dropping, which means I can come to a conclusion that it was the seller's volume, not the buyer's volume. Okay. So the main interesting areas for me today is these two levels. This level right here and this level right there. These are going to be sort of like where I'll be looking to make my decision today on GBP. As you can see, right? So 1.26 round it off, 1.26, I can say 26.18. Can round it off and say 26. 26.18 is good enough. So 26.18, or you can say 26.20, right? Put it to the next available round number. That's why I'm looking to either get a new long on GBP today. There's a serious GBP news today, so there might be a long trade here, right? A buy trade. If it reaches this zone, it means now we will have a possible downtrend on GBP. Okay, so this is my deciding factor for on GBP. That's why even on the buy that I'm already in on GBP here, my stop loss is hidden below these lows, right? But the volume that is happening right now suggests that there were strong sellers. We don't know. If it breaches this zone, then I know for sure it's really strong sellers, because it will be breaching a level where there's also high volume and also price action wise the market went up. So the most important thing is the price action and the volume. So this is what my situation is right now. If it comes and breaches through this zone, it's even a better trade. If it breaks above, I'll give you the number now, 27.05. If it breaches 27.05, right, it will confirm the trend, because the current trend on GBPUSD is down. The current trend is up, not down. The current trend on GBPUSD is up. So if it breaches 27.05, it means we're having a trend continuation, higher highs and higher lows. There's serious news coming out in the next hour or so, and I think this might be purely the bank manipulating the markets, making people pile for a short so that they can push this price up. Possible that this is a market manipulation. Yes, a market manipulation. The bank's pushing the price down so that they can buy and line up with the trend. Okay, that's very much possible. But yeah, this is the current situation. I'm long on GBPUSD. Yes, I'm long on GBPUSD, even though the rules have changed a little bit on other GBP pairs, which I'm short at GBP yen. I'm selling GBP yen. Yes, I just sold GBP yen right here. Okay, but I'm still long GBP dollar. I won't close this trade until it breaks this level. I won't close this trade until it breaks this level. So the news will be the deciding factor. But right now I've got two trades. I'm also in gold long, right? This is where I took gold just before it breached up. So I'm in here quite a few pips. I'm actually up 49 pips. It went 67 pips. I'm still holding on to this trade as well. But the focus right now is on GBP dollar, what it's going to do when it gets to this level. My other indication, price action wise, are telling me to still hold on to the trade, even though on GBP yen I've seen something that is saying sell. So sometimes it may happen that the correlation doesn't work. It happens that the correlation is lost. You find that GBP dollar is going down, GBP yen is going up. Yes, it does happen. That's why I don't use the correlation, because I've realized the correlation doesn't really work that much well. Yes, I've said it. Correlation doesn't work that much. Okay, yeah, this is my analysis, guys, before the news. The date is 2nd of February 2017. You can come back and check this chart later and see these scenarios if they worked out as well. I mean, but this is what I see right now. This is how I trade. This is purely for educational purposes, or you know what, examples that you can follow, guys. I'm going to say take these trades. You can simply just follow and trade it on a demo account if you want to, but this is not in a sort of like a signal for you to take this trade long. This is just my own insight about the markets right now, based on my experience and what I see the markets right now. As I always say, share this video with your friend, share it with your cousin, right? Share it in your trading room, share it with your friends, share it with your mentor. You might learn a thing or two from me. Sanim Jalose, stay blessed. I'm out.